Hello, dear students. In the previous lecture, we studied about the components of food, and we know that three main components of food exist: nutrient, roughage, and water. Out of these, nutrients are also of five kinds we need to study. Out of these, three we have already studied: carbohydrate, protein, fat. What the function they do for the body, how, from where we get these all things, how to test the presence. For fat, there is an activity I am going to show you. Today we will discuss about vitamin, our fourth nutrients. But before that, there is activity 3. I have given you homework and MCQs as well. So 2 MCQs, I am giving their answer to you now. First question: that food materials turn blue-black on addition of iodine solution. It comes from the presence of, option is C, dear. That is your starch. For second question, which of these provides energy? The option is C again, that is carbohydrates, gives you energy. Okay, carbohydrate parts of the food gives you energy. Now activity third, he want you. So first you will take groundnuts. Okay, how will you perform? I am telling you that. Groundnuts, mungfli. What you will do? You will take a clean paper. Suppose this is a clean paper. You will put the beans over here, 2 or 3 beans. Now crush them. Okay, when you crush them, after crushing, remove them. Okay, now put the paper in front of light. You will see spot of translucence. Translucence means paper from there become clear. That show the presence of what? Fat actually. Okay. Fat should take is a rich energy source, more energy than the carbohydrate. So you must take that in proper amount. There is a question given, do you know, in your book, which tell you fat excess. If we take fat in excess, it will increase what? Cholesterol in your body. Okay, cholesterol got increased. Cholesterol what do? High BP. It convert into high BP. So fat should take in proper amount. Okay. Now our topic, that is vitamins. This is an important nutrient exist in the food. Okay. Various kinds of vitamins like A, B, C, D, E, K. There are different kinds of vitamin exist. Okay. In different food. In different foods. First of all, let's talk what they do. They maintain proper health and functioning of body. Okay, if we do not take that, they are not present in food, we got sick particularly. Let's talk about in which they are helping and from where we are getting these particularly. Particularly 4 vitamins we are talking here. B also known as B complex, because B exists in different form: B1, B6, B12, B12. Okay, so vitamin is known as B complex. So this is vitamin A, B, C and D. These 4 we will discuss today. Okay, or you can say in your syllabus right now. So what is their sources? Like if you talk about the vitamin A, their sources and purpose they serve it. Sources for A particularly green leafy vegetables, or you can take fish oil, fish liver oil. That is a rich source of vitamin A. What it do? It maintains healthy eyesight or good skin. For both it is serving good. If we do not take vitamin in proper amount, these problems will occur. Our eyesight will get weak, and skin will get rough particularly. Okay, B complex. B complex also you can get from green leafy vegetables. That is also present in green leafy vegetables. Milk, fish, egg. At least you must know 2 sources of each vitamin. Okay, what is the B complex do particularly? So it maintains proper functioning of body. Okay, proper functioning of body is essential, particularly for which part? Heart, nerves. These particular parts are maintained properly by the B complex. Now vitamin C, you can get it in large amount citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are which one? Lemon, orange. Okay, these are the citrus fruits. Okay, what it do in the body? Your gums and teeth keeps healthy by it, by vitamin C particularly. Okay, vitamin D is good for bones. You can take it from milk, sun, light. So these are the some vitamins and the sources from where you get this particular, and what the functions they are doing in the body particularly. Okay, so there are different kind of what the vitamins are doing. They are maintaining the health and let the health body work in a proper condition. Various kinds of vitamins A, B, C, D, E, A, K. Out of these only 4 we have discussed. What the purpose they are serving and what are the different sources from where you can get these vitamins. So today we will discuss about only vitamins. Now your homework is to read the vitamin, particularly vitamin section, and learn the table on page number 14. Page number 14. It's regarding vitamins, dear. You have to learn it complete. Okay, that is your homework part. Thank you.